Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today we have one very interesting and challenging algebraic problem which we'll be solving for all possible solutions, real or complex. Problem is, find the equation whose roots are those of this quartic equation increased by 1 and hence solve the equation. I'll be using Horner's method or Horner's scheme or Horner's rule to solve this problem with the help of synthetic division method. So let's get started. We have roots increased by 1. So we can assume x plus 1 equal to y. Now we will frame one quartic in variable y. Ay power 4 plus by cube plus cy square plus dy plus e equal to 0. To get the roots of this quartic equation, we should know unknown coefficients a, b, c, d and e. So our first target is to find a, b, c, d and e. So I will use synthetic division method over here. X plus 1 equal to 0. So x will become negative 1. We'll write here x equal to minus 1. Now we have to write coefficients of this quartic equation. Coefficient of x power 4, it is 1. Coefficient of x cube, it is minus 2. Coefficient of x square, minus 3. Coefficient of x 4, constant, minus 5. We'll put one line over here. Leading coefficient 1 would be as it is. We will multiply minus 1 with leading coefficient 1. Minus 1 times 1 will become minus 1, which we will write over here. By adding these two numbers, we will get minus 3. Minus 1 times minus 3 becomes plus 3. By adding these, we will get 0. Minus 1 times 0 is 0. By adding these two, we will get 4. Minus 1 times 4 is minus 4. By adding these two numbers, we are going to write here minus 9, and it is our coefficient E. Now we will follow the same steps once again. Leading coefficient 1 would be as it is. We'll multiply minus 1 with 1 and write over here minus 1. By adding these two, we will write minus 4. Minus 1 times minus 4, 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. Minus 1 times 4 is minus 4. 4 minus 4 will be 0. This is nothing but D. This is coefficient D. Again, we will follow the same steps. 1 would be as it is. We have to multiply minus 1 with leading coefficient 1. Minus 1 times 1 becomes minus 1. By adding these two, we will get minus 5. Minus 1 times minus 5, 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 9 is C. Again, we will follow the same steps. Minus 1 times 1. Minus 1, which we will write over here. By adding these two, we will get minus 6. So minus 6 is B and 1 is A. Now we have all the coefficients known. Let me write here A equal to 1, B equal to minus 6, C equal to 9, D equal to 0 and E equal to minus 9. Our quartic equation is ay power 4 plus by cube plus cy square plus dy plus e equal to 0. Let's plug in all the values over here. We will get y power 4 minus 6y cube plus 9y square plus 0 times y minus 9 equal to 0. or we can write y power 4 minus 6y cube plus 9y square minus 9 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quartic equation. From first three terms of this equation, we can write this is perfect square of y square minus 3y, and 9 is square of 3. So we can use difference of two squares formula, a plus b times a minus b. We will get y square minus 3y plus 3 and y square minus 3y minus 3. So we have y square minus 3y minus 3, y square minus 3y plus 3 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will get two quadratic equations, either y square minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0 or y square minus 3y plus 3 equal to 0. Both equations are quadratic equations. We can use quadratic formula. So let me write formula once. Y equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 times ac over 2 times a. For first equation, we have a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, and it is equal to c. Now we will use formula and write y equal to minus b, so minus of minus 3 plus minus square root minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 times 1 times minus 3 plus 12 over 2 times 1, so 2. This will be equal to 3 plus minus square root 21 over 2. We have two real values of y. Now we have to solve second equation, second quadratic equation. Here a is 1, b is minus 3 and c is 3. We will apply this formula and write y equal to 3 plus minus square root of minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 times 1 times 3 is minus 12 over 2 times 1 is 2, which will be equal to 3 plus minus square root of minus 3. It is square root of minus 1 times square root of 3. Square root of minus 1 is complex number I times square root of 3 over 2. So we have two real and two complex solutions over here. Let me write here y will be equal to 3 plus minus square root 21 over 2 and 3 plus minus I root 3 over 2. Now we have to find roots of original equation, which is written over here. So our substitution was x plus 1. This was equal to y. So in this place we can write x plus 1. So I will write here x plus 1 equal to 3 plus minus root 21 over 2. And here we will write 3 plus minus I times square root 3 over 2. To find roots of original equation, we will subtract 1 from both the sides. Now plus 1 and minus 1 will get over. We will get roots of original equation x equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 plus minus square root of 21 over 2. And here 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 plus minus I times square root 3 over 2. So we have two real and two complex solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.